Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Globe local and long-distance movers near me. There is nothing better than finding the best relocating firm to help you move whenever you need one. The best firm will look after you and your properties, safely securing them against the dangers that come with relocating. 3Movers is such a firm. What's more, we are very close to you here in Globe, Arizona. We ensure that your move is a beautiful one, regardless of the type of move you are making. We make sure to secure your belongings throughout the duration of the trip, and you can always trust us to pull off your move without any burden to you. 3Movers prioritizes customer happiness. Nothing is more special to us than seeing the joy on the faces of our clients when we've helped them make a move. Our services are affordable, outstanding, and reliable, qualities you will need while relocating. We can help with sorting, packing, arranging, and offloading your belongings from your current location to your destination. We also help our clients to draw up a moving plan, should they require one that will help them relocate and settle down quickly in their new environment. No matter the type of relocation you want to make, you can trust that we will handle your relocation smoothly. Our firm is a customer-centric company that puts the needs and wants of our clients first. We will work alongside your schedule, building a foolproof plan that will enable you to relocate as quickly as possible with the least amount of stress that can be allowed. We have the right equipment to carry your properties, regardless of size or fragility. Therefore, you should call us to help you with that essential relocation. Our drivers are professionals, trained always to optimize customers' comfort in all situations. They, the movers, are fully committed to satisfying you and providing you with a mouth-watering relocation experience. They will handle your properties with care, making sure that they do not lose or damage any item in your belongings. You only have to ask for reviews to confirm our positive reputation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Globe Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.